Hello, and welcome to today's English speaking practice. Today, we will practice English using the shadowing technique. You will listen carefully and repeat after me. Don't worry about mistakes. Just listen, follow my voice, and speak. Now, enjoy this fun story told by a girl called My Fun School Day. Ready? Let's start. Like and subscribe for more shadowing stories. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. My alarm rings at 6 o'clock. My alarm rings at 6 o'clock. I feel sleepy, but I get out of bed. I feel sleepy, but I get out of bed. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I look in the mirror and smile. I look in the mirror and smile. I wear my school uniform. I wear my school uniform. I pack my books and notebook. I pack my books and notebook. I eat breakfast with my family. I eat breakfast with my family. Breakfast gives me energy. Breakfast gives me energy. I leave home for school. I leave home for school. I walk to school with my friends. I walk to school with my friends. We talk and laugh on the way. We talk and laugh on the way. The school bell rings loudly. The school bell rings loudly. I sit in my classroom quietly. I sit in my classroom quietly. The teacher starts the lesson. The teacher starts the lesson. English class is my favorite. English class is my favorite. I repeat words after the teacher. I repeat words after the teacher. I try to speak clearly. I try to speak clearly. We have a short break time. We have a short break time. I talk with my friends. I talk with my friends. We enjoy our break. We enjoy our break. Classes end in the afternoon. Classes end in the afternoon. I pack my bag carefully. I pack my bag carefully. I walk back home. I walk back home. I feel tired but happy. I feel tired but happy. I eat lunch and rest a little. I eat lunch and rest a little. I do my homework in the afternoon. I do my homework in the afternoon. In the evening, I play for some time. In the evening, I play for some time. I eat dinner with my family. I eat dinner with my family. I prepare my bag for tomorrow. I prepare my bag for tomorrow. I go to bed at night. I go to bed at night. I think about my school day. I think about my school day. My school day was fun. My school day was fun. I feel thankful and relaxed. I feel thankful and relaxed. Pronunciation practice. Now focus on pronunciation. Morning. School. Student. Teacher. Homework. Repeat clearly and confidently.